Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's lecture I will give you the general knowledge of the main country India. India is the main country of South Asia and it is second largest state after China. India, the main country of South Asia. Its capital is New Delhi. Its currency is rupee. President of India is called first citizen of India. Draupadi Murmu is serving as the 15th President of India. She is woman. First woman President was Pratibha Singh Patil, who holds office from 2007 to 2012. Parliament of India is known as Bharatiya Sansad. It is bicameral legislature. Bicameral legislature means two chambers. Rajya Sabha is upper house, which is also called the Council of States, and its members are 250 members. Lok Sabha is the lower house or house of the people, and its members are 543. from elected from states, 20 from union territories, 2 are nominated members. Current Speaker of Lok Sabha is Shri Om Birla. First female speaker was Meera Kumar. She served as the 15th Speaker of Lok Sabha from 2009 to 2014. Rajya Sabha upper house and 250 members are members of upper house. It is headed by chairperson or speaker. Vice President acts as its chairman. State legislatures of province is called Vidhan Sabha. President is elected for 5 years. President is elected for 5 years by electoral college. Consists of national and state legislature and Vidhan Sabha or provincial legislatures. Vice President is Jagdeep Dhankar, is current Vice President of India since 2022. Nationalist movements against colonialism started from India, which crumbled or destroyed mighty empire of England or Britain. First Governor General after independence was Lord Mountbatten, and first Indian Governor General was Raja Gopal Acharya. Constitution was promulgated on 26 January 1950 and India became Republic. Indian Constitution has 395 articles. 106 amendments have been made in the Constitution till today in 2024. First President was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who holds office from 26 January 1950 to 13th May 1962. He holds office 2 times. First Muslim President was Dr. Zakir Hussain, who died during his tenure. The immediate Vice President V.V. Giri was made the acting President. After that, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court Muhammad Hidayatullah became acting president from 20th July 1969 to 24th August 1969. APJ Abul Kalam, ex-president of India, is known as the Missile Man of India. President Zakir Hussain and Fakhruddin died during office. First Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru, son of Motilal Nehru, a prominent member of Indian National Congress. Hold office from 15th August 1947 to May 1964, and he is longest serving Prime Minister. First President of Congress Party was W.C. Banerjee. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He was assassinated by Nanduram on 28th January 1948. Indira Gandhi, first woman Prime Minister of India, was assassinated on 31st October 1984 by her guard. The boundary between India and China is called McMahon Line, demarcated in 1914. Other boundaries between China and India is called Line of Actual Control. 24th parallel line lies between India and Pakistan. Garam Pani Sanctuary is located in Dipu, Assam. The seven sisters of Northeast India include Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, whereas Sikhan is called the only brother of seven sisters. These are the borders. This is the border of India, and these are the seas of India. This is Indian Ocean, this is Arabian Ocean, this is Bay of Bengal, this is of Andaman Seas. These are seven sisters northeast of India. India is bordered by the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. The Arabian Sea is to the west of India and the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Sea and Andaman Sea is to the east. Indian Ocean is to the south of Indian Peninsula. Gulf of Mannar and Palk Strait lies between India and Sri Lanka. Rivers, main rivers, Ganges are Ganga, 3,084 km long, flow to Bay of Bengal. Second, Godavari, 1,460 km long, also flow to Bay of Bengal. Borders of India. India shares land borders with China, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Bangladesh, Myanmar and Pakistan shares both land borders as well as maritime borders. This is Bangladesh, this is Myanmar, this is Pakistan, and these are also maritime borders. Here are also maritime borders. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture. Thank you very much. Please keep watching and subscribe to my channel and please forward to your friends.